In front of me I've got Realme C25Y. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So let's open camera, and as you can see right here we've got typical video mode, capture and portrait. So let's start with the video mode. Max zoom we can achieve is 4 times. And we can't zoom out. Then, if you go to portrait mode, max zoom is also 4 times, and also we can zoom out. But we can enable or disable flashlight, HDR, and some kind of beauty mode where we can change smooth, acne, brighten tone, enlarge, slim and lips. Basically it's for the face that we can modify our face a little bit. Okay, let's go to more, and in here we've got burst mode, filter, time lapse, pro mode, where we can change white balance, shutter speed, AF, ISO, exposure and contrast. Next we've got typical panorama, (50 megapixels mode, macro mode, and the last mode is night. Okay, now let's go to settings, and in order to enter settings, tap this button in the right corner, and in settings you can change storage path, volume key function, we can enable or disable camera sound and fingerprint shutter, we can enable or disable save location, change picture size, picture quality, add logo watermark, add time watermark, set countdown, composition line, enable or disable smile shutter and face attribute detect, change anti-banding, enhance low light photos automatically, AI scene recognition and touch photograph. And that's all for this camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.